All are welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to discuss classification of surveying based on instrument use for carry out survey work according to client request. Proper understanding about instrument-based classification is very useful for selecting suitable survey method to carry out accurate and timely land survey work for user satisfaction. I think this information are very useful to enhance your knowledge regarding classification of surveying based on instrument. Survey can be classified into various categories depending on methods used and nature of the field. Classification based on instruments. Chain surveying is the simplest form of surveying. The principle of chain surveying is triangulation. In this surveying method, we only measure linear measurements. Also, it is suitable for small areas. The areas are divided into triangles and the sides of the triangles are measured. The chain surveying uses instruments such as chains, arrows, pegs, ranging rods, etc. This slide shows how to perform chain surveying with required instrument. Collecting required measurement of details using chainage and offset method. And prepare chain survey sketch plan for given land parcel. Compass surveying is a surveying technique that uses a magnetic compass to determine the direction of survey lines, combined with linear measurements, using chains or tapes, to establish the position of points and create maps or plans. It's a fundamental method in surveying, particularly useful for large areas, or when other methods like chain surveying are impractical. This slide shows how to perform compass surveying with the help of magnetic compass and chain or tape, and prepare compass survey plan for given land parcel. Plane table surveying definition outlines the simultaneous observation and plotting of field conditions on paper by a surveyor. The plane table is a flat, leveled board mounted on a tripod that serves as the drawing surface. This eliminates the need for intermediate calculations and allows surveyors to visualize and map the area in real time. It is commonly used for small-scale surveys, topographical mapping, and situations where quick, approximate results are sufficient. This technique is simple, cost-effective, and useful in terrains where precision instruments might be challenging to use. A theodolite is an optical instrument that measures horizontal and vertical angles between 2 points. Distance between traverse points measured with the help of chain. Required detail points pick with the help of chain and tape using offset method. It shows how to perform plane table surveying with the help of validate, chain or tape. Then required measurement taken from all detail points and prepare small-scale map according to ground features. This slide shows how to perform theodolite surveying with the help of chain or tape. It is important to run outer boundary traverse according to selected area for surveying. Then detail traverses should run to collect required detail points as per requirement of survey. Finally, prepare required survey plan according to collected data of ground features as well as user requirement. Tachyometry surveying is a surveying method used to determine horizontal and vertical distances indirectly. It's particularly useful in areas where traditional methods like chaining are difficult or impossible, such as rough or uneven terrain, or where access is limited. Leveling is the process of determining the relative heights of points on the Earth's surface. It's a crucial part of surveying that establishes elevations and provides data for mapping, construction, and other applications where vertical position is important. This slide shows how to perform tachyometry surveying and prepare required survey plan according to difficult or impossible, such as rough or uneven terrain, or where access is limited ground features. This slide shows how to perform sprit leveling and data collection with the help of sprit level and leveling staff. Then required calculation and adjustment to perform on collected data and tabulated. Finally, prepare level sheet indicating required places height reference to Earth's surface. Photogrammetric survey is the science and art of obtaining reliable measurements and other spatial information about physical objects and the environment by analyzing and interpreting aerial or drone-based photographs. It's used to create maps, models, and other 3D representations from imagery obtained from aerial or drone-based sources. A total station survey uses a surveying instrument that combines a theodolite and an electronic distance meter, EDM, to measure angles and distances with high accuracy. This data is then used in conjunction with a data collector or a computer to create detailed maps, plans, and 3D models. This slide shows how to perform photogrammetric surveying and create maps, models, and other 3D representations from imagery obtained from aerial or drone-based sources. This slide shows how to perform total station surveying, required data collection using Prism, and create survey plan or 3D model accordingly. This is end of presentation. I think it is very useful to get basic understanding about instrument-based classification. It is very useful for selecting suitable survey method to carry out accurate and timely complete land survey task for user satisfaction. At the same time, it shows how important these activities to proper usage of technology in surveying and mapping to fulfill user requirement promptly. Thank you very much for your attention.